Alright guys, so this is going to be a tornado coverage on the tornado just now northwest of Frederick. So people in Schneider and Mountain Park, you guys better get your relatives and gather up and go to an interior room on the lowest floor of building. So basement, storm shelter. If you don't have a basement or storm shelter, then move to a bathroom on the interior of your house. So there shouldn't be like exterior walls in the bathroom. So be on the lowest floor of a building. This is one of those days where we could be seeing one of these types of events. And this is a large damaging tornado on the ground. So there's the indicator right there. That's your tornado right there where those red and green meet. That's where that tornado is right there. Moving to the north now at around 30 miles per hour. So there's correlation coefficient. See a little amount of debris in the air. Can't really indicate any debris. I don't see a blue spot yet, but we'll put this in motion anyways. But Weather Spotters has confirmed this tornado on the ground. So there's a new updated radar. They might have to update this tornado warning soon. It's not even a tornado warning. This is, well, it is, but it's one of those PDS ones, particularly dangerous situation. So used to have a TVS signature, but now it has a meso strength, which is kind of odd. But I think they just updated this. Hold on. Okay, it's still PDS, not a tornado emergency yet, but they possibly might make it a tornado emergency. So any of you people in Snyder and Mountain Park, you guys better get going. And Manitou, you better be already in your tornado shelter, because this tornado might pass to your west side, but it looks like it might miss the main part of Manitou, but it's heading directly for Schneider and Mountain Park. This thing could switch directions. So there's the hook, comes around right there. There's where the tornado is, and there's the velocity couplet. So it looks like it got smaller, but it's still a strong indicator of a large tornado on the ground. So this is one of those days where we could see these types of events. And if you guys are in Schneider, you guys better get going. You guys better get your relatives gathered, and you guys better head to a basement or a storm shelter or anywhere where you're going to go for one of these types of events. So this storm looks to be moving northeast at around 30 miles per hour. So there's a rotation coupler right there. Correlation coefficient we'll look at. So it looks like it has a hook shape on correlation coefficient too. So this is a PDS warning, PDS tornado warning. So you better not be fooling around with this warning. This is serious. This is a supercell that is moving northeast at around 30 miles per hour. It might have gotten a little faster. Oh, it got slower, actually, 25 miles per hour. So there's the updated radar. Strong indicator, but still got a hook, comes around. So we'll put this whole thing into motion here, so we can see how this hook forms. Just went through the west and northwest side of Frederick. So if you guys are still in Schneider or Mountain Park, it don't matter if this is not as serious as it is when it about hit you guys. This is still a serious storm. You should be taking tornado warning seriously. And if you're in Manitou, you will have to be already in your storm shelter. If you are not, then you better get there. If your relatives are down there, then you better get yourself down there, because this is a serious situation as it continues to move to the northeast. It's gonna do the same thing as it did to Frederick. It's gonna go to the west and northwest side, southwest side, all the west sides of Manitou. Alright guys, I'll give you guys an update on this tornado if it does get more serious. But otherwise, this is the ending of this coverage.